fishing, fly fishing. Your alarm's going off.
That's a fish.
I told you.
You're right. Yep. We are. Did I not get? Yes, I did. Did I get a double? No, I got one. Okay. What is this? A little croaker? Yes, it is. Okay. So what we're doing is me and Sam are doing our. I don't know what you call it. We do it. We have a little tradition where we like to go night fishing when we go to the beach. We like to do one evening/night fishing, and we just got here, got the rod set up. We got a couple hours. Oh. And he's saying hi. This croaker's saying hello. Dadgummit, if you let go, I can get this hook out of your face. Well, sorry, buddy. Oh goodness gracious. Yeah, I think we're gonna cast yours out, honey. It's another little croaker, and he ate that angrily. He said, "I want your shrimp." Sam, describe that bite in one sentence. I mean, one phrase. Quick. All right, here you go. Did you just get eaten again? All right. I want you to reel it up, honey. I want you to cast it out. Do you want me to cast it out?
I'm afraid not.
Okay. Here. I got one. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Now with this, I want you to reel until it gets tight. And then when it gets tight, I want you to, okay, reel a little bit more. You want it to be really heavy on the line. So you want to be able to pull up, and it wants to be heavy. So reel a little bit more. Okay, leave it. Okay, if you want to put the rod down, you can just reel up a little bit to keep it line tight. Okay, leave it. And you're going to wait for the, okay? But you have to keep your hand on the reel, and on the rod. I got mine too. Ooh, that's a good one. Keep reeling. I think you're. Yeah? Oh, I lost mine. You kept yours though. It's a small one. It's the tiniest croaker ever. Wait. Let me see. Yeah, wait. Oh. No, it's a kingfish. It's a whiting. I see. Say hello, whiting.
Hello, Tiny.
Is that his name?
Yep.
All right. And I lost mine. And mine was a good one. Here. It was a croaker. It was probably probably the biggest croaker we've had. It was about like that. I mean, that's a good croaker. If I wanted to, we could have kept that and ate that. Made a couple tacos. Yeah. They taste good, but you have to get them big enough to be willing to deal with the bones. Yep. Oh, Did you just get eaten? I swear I saw your line jump. What's the name of this one? Smith? Minnie. He's naming them all small. So what are you going to name when we get one big one? Big. Oh. Sorry, Biggie. Smalls. Ha. Wait, did you name him Carlos?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Oh, okay. Alright, where we at? Yep, something has it. Did you see that? I know, right? I don't know about that. Hey, it is bigger than 4 inches. It's 5. Hmm? What's his name? You do have one! We thought you did. Okay, so which one's this one?
That's named Seth.
Seth? And who's that? We got, I think, close to 13. Who's this?
I was gonna let you do it.
Oh, Samantha. No, just kidding. Not Samantha. I'm gonna. I don't know. Well, we'll have to think of a good name. I'll probably know that one is gonna be Doug.
Or it can be Shrimpy.
You-
Let's name it Shrimpy.
Okay, Shrimpy.
What's the new
Hmm?
one? What's the big one?
All right. Let's get you. All right, hon. Yep, fish. Goodness. Keep rolling, honey. That's a good fish. That feels different, don't it? And what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Real. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. What'd you get? A puffer fish. No, just kidding. Okay, remember on the swing up. Let it swing. Stop. Now reel up. Reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up. It's another croaker. It's okay. I'd rather be catching them than catfish, wouldn't you?
How many is that?
We're at 6 now. 6 fish, honey, in like, what, 20 minutes?
Or there's the
These are the bait. He wants to sing you a song. That's in D minor. And that's what his name is going to be. D minor. Nothing wants my rod. Why is that? Because they want cinnamon. Oh, geez. That was a good bite. There it is. Hook up, hook, reel. You got it, honey. You got him. I'm pretty sure you did. That fish wanted your shrimp, like really bad. I'm pretty sure you got him. You did. That's your first fish tonight. Okay, put your rod up a little bit so you don't hang it on the reel. And so you don't hang it on the reel. There you go. Oh, and I'm getting bit.
Maybe.
Oh gosh. Well, that's a double.
Triple.
Wait, I got. Hey. Yep, we got. Oh, you were hoping for a triple? Oh, I said double.
I know, double on yours.
Oh, I am not that good to tell if I have, unless on a fly rod I can. But what do you want to name them?
Croaky.
Croaky. Bye, Croaky. Oh. Mine one is a little bit bigger. What do you want to name mine?
Shiny.
Shiny. Okay. Let's get you some shrimps on. Well, I believe, honey, I picked a good spot. No catfish. Yep. There we go. Oh. What's the name of this one? Huh?
Guppy.
Guppy. You're gonna start coming out with Little Mermaid names here soon, aren't you? Reel it up, tighten it up just a little bit.
There we go.
You get him? Yeah, I think you do. Yeah. That's a good one too, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Hey, there you go. Okay, remember pause, let it swing back out. Now reel up. Ah, yay, finally the drought is over. Oh, jeez.
Sit there 15 minutes all the way up to the day. Trying to find the time. Get all that ice. No, I do the cold shower in this spot. Especially summertime, man. I'll have a cold shower straight up to the cold.
Yep. Okay, let it sit. Yeah, come on.
Something on there?
Yep. Yay! It's a croaker. And he gave you back his shrimp. There you go, honey. Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know if you got him. I don't know. Reel up, reel up and see if it's still bouncing.
At first year it was rough because it didn't quite
Did you get
clean
it?
that out, but then after that it swirled
Yeah,
away.
I think you did. I think that's it. I think you got him.
Oh yeah, we'll be getting up every time.
Reel it up, reel it up, reel it up.
What's
It was just the reel. That's what it was, honey. No, it's just something. It's just.
Oh yeah, we got a red
Hmm?
chain.
Is there a line over it?
No, but it was
Yeah,
so
dude.
funny when it
I
was
thought that was
rolling.
something else. That's the move.
Nah, it's alright. Alright. Keep rolling. Right here.
There you go. We'll take y'all to the drive shack and get some golf balls.
Okay.
To the drive shack.
Yep.
Got one.
No, I got a croaker over there free line, and that might get eaten by a shark. Oh, I'm not. What are you talking about? I'm not saying nothing. I'm fishing for redfish.
That's me too.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I've only when I so we ended up catching a bunch of croaker, a bunch of whiting. I thought, you know, there were a couple times where I thought, you know, something was going to pick up a live bait, and I was kind of hoping for some kind of drum or something to eat it, but it didn't happen. So it was fine. We still caught a lot of fish. We had a great time. Me and her usually have a good time on the pier, so I'm glad she came out. I'm glad we were able to go out, and you know, it's one of those times where we just enjoyed each other's company, caught some fish, and we're able to get home and get some good sleep. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And as always, guys, tight lines and blessings.